told you to watch your back, Smithy.
Tannen, but you're early.
It's a Derringer, Smithy. Small but effective. Last time I used it, fella took 2 whole days to die. Bled to death inside. It was real painful. That means you'll be dead by about supper time Monday.
Excuse me, I don't know who you think you are, but we're dancing.
Look at what we have here. Ain't you gonna introduce me to the lady? I'd like a dance.
I wouldn't give you that pleasure. You'll just have to go ahead and shoot.
All right.
No, Emmett, I'll dance with him, Emmett.
Boys, keep the blacksmith company while I get acquainted with the Billy! Yeah! Ha-ha! Yeah! Oh!
I don't dance very well when my partner has a gun in his hand.
Oh, you learn. You learn. You know, Smithy, maybe I'll just take my $80 worth out of her. Whoa! Yeah. I bet there's something you can do that's worth $80.
I believe you've underestimated me, mister.
What have I now? Ah! Oh!
Oh!
Stop it! Damn you, Tannen!
No. I damn you. I damn you to hell! You. Hey, lighten up, jerk! Mighty strong words, Runt. You man enough to back him up with more than just a pie plate?
Look, just leave my friends alone.
Oh, what's wrong, dude? You yellow? That's what I thought. Yellow belly.
Nobody calls me yellow.
Let's finish it right now.
Oh, not now, Buford. Marshall's got our guns.
Like I said, we'll finish this tomorrow.
Tomorrow, we're robbing the Pine City stage.
What about Monday? We doing anything Monday?
No, Monday be fine. You can kill him on Monday.
I'll be back this way on Monday. We'll settle this then. Right there, out in the street, in front of the Palace Saloon.
Yeah, right. When? High noon?
Noon. I do my killing before breakfast. 7 o'clock.
8 o'clock. I do my killing after breakfast.
Marty.
All right, now break it up. What's all this about? You causing trouble here, Tannen?
No trouble, Marshal. Just a little personal matter between me and Eastwood. This don't concern the law.
Tonight, everything concerns the law. Now break it up. Any brawling, it's 15 days in the county jail. All right, folks, come on. This is a party. Come on, let's have some fun.
8 o'clock Monday, Rob. If you ain't here, I'll hunt you and shoot you down like a duck.
It's dog, Buford. Shoot him down like a dog.
Let's go, boys! Let these sissies have their party!